Yes, thank you for always stopping by. For those of you seeing me for the first time, you are welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Samirazi Fashion, home of trendy styles. In today's class, I will be teaching you guys how to cut and sew this trendy free dress. Many people have been asking me that, so today I'm going to answer that question on how to cut this trendy free dress, the easiest way of cutting and sewing it. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. So watch this video to the end and you're going to enjoy.
This is our fabric that we are using to make trendy fit dress. As you can see, this is it. So we are cutting it together. So this is the first side of the fabric. So now we lay it to get that first side of it. So that is it. We've gotten it. So we want to do our measurement here now. So already, as you can see, the chalk, this is the shoulder side that we use and get the length. So this is it. I mark it to the length. This is the full length now. The full length is 39. Everything here is 39. So that is it. So we start our measurement from the shoulder side. So you measure your shoulder. The shoulder that we are using is 16 on this fabric. So you divide 16 by 2. What will it give you? It will give you 8, and you add your allowance that you use and sew for you not to shorten your shoulder. So we added 1 inch, making it 9. That is 18. So after so you return back to your normal shoulder measurement. That is 16. So that is it now. You can see this is the mark. I've marked it. So on the leg line we are using 4. So I've marked my 4 by the neckline. For the cleavage, we don't want it to be too down, so I'm just giving it 4. I'm marking 4 at the down side. So, and we are making it a round neck. So this is it. So we have gotten the neck now. So from your shoulder to your armhole, I'm marking 8. So that is where we'll get our bust measurements. So you now mark your bust measurements on that your armhole line. So this is it. So what are we getting here for the measurement? The measurement of this person that we are using is 37. So you now add to your sewing, because it's a fit dress that we are making. We will not make it too tight on that person. So I'm putting 42 on 8. So now you connect from your shoulder now to the armhole where you get your bust measurements. So that is it. As you can see, we have gotten it. So from the shoulder, I will just mark 13. That is where I will get my shape down there. So I will mark. What we have here is 42. That is 10.5. So what I'm doing here now, I will just put 40 and remove that out there, because don't want it to be too shaped. So we'll connect it and take it down. So this is it. Yes, so this is it. I've gotten it. So this will size the person now. Both the allowance, everything is there now. So this is how we'll get it now. And for your shoulder side, don't forget to slant it. So I'm slanting it by ½ inch from the shoulder to the armhole side. So this is it. We have gotten it. So since I'm doing it together, I'm cutting it together, I'm also bringing it down at the back side, like the neck side of it, the back side, because we are cutting it together. So this is the way it should be. So we have done with it. It's a very free dress that you can just cut easy, and you see the way we will now join everything together. So we are cutting now. So this is how it go. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. So I'm cutting with the hemming allowance. Everything is added on that 39. So this is it. So I'm cutting first this upper side with 1 inch, because we are using it as the back neckline, before we now cut this front side. This front side will not be the front side of the dress. So that is it. So you open, that is to cut it. I'm cutting it now. So everything, both the allowance, everything is on this clothes, because we are cutting it together. That is why you can see it like this. Watch my video and subscribe. It's very easy. So this is it. So now we have done with the cutting everything together. So what am I doing now? I'm trying to bring it out. This is the back side. So it's because I want to cut the front neck now, that the cleavage or the front side, to bring it down with that 4 that I've marked. So this is it. Let me remove this. So I'm trying to lay it very well to cut the neck, the front neck. So this is now the front neck that I'm cutting. Yes, we have finished cutting it. So the chalk will help you to know the front side and the back side. So this is the back side now with the chalk, because looking at the matte fabric, the front and the back almost look alike. So don't forget to do that. So now this is it. So when sewing, just for you to join it. As we are sewing it, we will do it on the machine, but I'm just showing you how it will look like when joining. So you jump from the shoulder to the shoulder, you join it. So you now come and stitch. So this is how it will now look. So that is it. So that is it. It's almost ready. It looks as if we have finished the sewing, but we have not done it. I'm just showing you how it will look like. So this is it. So I hope my camera is catching me well. So this is it. So subscribe to my channel and practice it on your own. I want you to learn it. That's why I'm showing this video. Do it on your own so that you can shine and look good.
I really hope you learned something new in this video. You can see how beautiful the dress came out after cutting and sewing it. I hope you try it out. If you find it helpful, please hit on the subscribe button below my video now to support this channel to grow. Turn on notification bell so as to see more interesting tutorials, and don't forget to share with friends. Please remember to subscribe. I will see you soon.